guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, I'm pretty sure you guessed it, I'm going to be doing part 2 of the speed build of the pirate roller coaster. So if you didn't watch the last one, here's a quick recap. So I was doing my Lego roller coaster review. So after that, I was bringing the roller coaster back to the table when it all broke. So I decided I'll just do a speed build. So let's get back to it. Alright guys, I'm sorry for the interruption. It's just that I had to go eat and look at Elijah. Hello. Subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay, let's get right back to the speed build. I'm so sorry for the interruption. Again, it's just I had to check something real quick. So I'm very sorry. Now let's get back. Guys, after about 1 hour of non-stop building, I'm gonna decide to take about a 30-minute break, and then I'll get back to building. Right now, as you can see, I'm building the pirate ship. Let me show you. Building the it's so blurry. Focus. Focus. Oh, there you go. I am building the pirate ship right now. This is the front edge. I've only put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of track right now, and I think I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more pieces of track. So I'd say I'm about halfway through. I think I've only built about like 600 pieces. I don't know. So this, it's not, there's not going to be a part 3. At least I hope there's not. I'm just going to take a little break from building, but I'll just edit my break out. So I will see you later. Guys, that's it. This is the final piece. Putting these two together. Final piece. Wait. I just finished the Lego set. I had to replace this green one instead of the black one because I had lost the black one. So let me just attach it to the carts. Okay. Put the carts back on the track. And I finished the Lego set for the 3rd time. Thank you so much for watching these 2 videos. Hope you guys had a great day. Remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you in our next video. Dun, 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 dun.